Bill Maher, your buddy's on now on Larry King Live. Does he have a Larry King Live addiction like you do? He needs to lose some weight or something. God, look at the glasses that he's wearing.
It's not a middle-aged white man, but a black American is going to be president.
Does it bother me?
Boggle you.
Are you kidding? I just...
Of course it doesn't bother him that there's going to be a black president. It wouldn't bother him if a black dude pulled down his britches and stuck his dick in his rear end. That's how sorry Michael Moore is.
Yeah, that's because my mind's already boggled, Larry.
Or bothered, something's the matter with it.
I come
He
pre-boggled.
brush his teeth.
No, well, of course it does. I mean, like Magic said, to think that this would happen in our lifetime, I don't think any of us thought that would ever happen. And the fact that it did, I went to vote yesterday morning. It was, firstly, actually just very emotional to have the opportunity to...
Michael Moore was emotional when he voted for Obama. Oh, God, it's just over to me. Oh, God, it's so good about Shit.
He's such a gracious individual, and I think we could all take a cue from him.
Take a cue from him? Okay, let's raise taxes.